Hi everyone, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Nuoonu Multifunctional Trimmer. You can get this product on Amazon for about $50. Check out the link in the description. My first impression is very positive. The trimmer is very lightweight and the material feels really good. The trimmer comes with two adjustable trimming comps, a charging stand and a USB charging cable, a cleaning brush and a user manual. The user manual tells you everything you need to know about the device. Each trimming comp has two different lengths and it's very easy to attach and switch it. Cleaning the trimmer is also very easy and it's fully waterproof. I tested the trimmer for a few weeks and I think it's a very good product. It's very lightweight and easy to use and the flashlight is very convenient. So if you are looking for a multifunctional trimmer which is waterproof, has a rechargeable battery and a flashlight, I would recommend the Nuoonu Multifunctional Trimmer. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.